Hi everyone, time to review the answer to our latest Metabolic Health Hacks quiz question. When it comes to improving health, which should you focus on? Fat loss or weight loss? Interestingly, about 70% of you got the answer wrong. So, you must be excited to know what is the correct answer, right? And the correct answer is B. Fat loss is the priority. What? How can it be fat loss? Many people aim for weight loss. The goal should actually be fat loss. Losing fat means you are reducing unhealthy body fat while preserving lean muscle mass, which is essential for a strong metabolism and overall health. Weight loss, on the other hand, could mean losing muscle or water weight, which isn't ideal. Focus on fat loss by incorporating a healthy diet, strength training, and cardio into your routine for sustainable long term results. Stay tuned for more health tips and myth busting insight.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Join the movement to eliminate obesity and reverse metabolic syndrome. Together, we can make a difference. Hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update. Follow us on social media for more tips and support.